Honor 7C, a smartphone with a 13+2 megapixel dual lens camera. It comes in 3 color variants, blue, gold and black. Choose between 2 memory variants, 3GB RAM plus 32GB memory and 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory. You can use 2 SIM cards and expand the memory by up to 256GB with a dedicated micro SD card slot. The sleek metal body of Honor 7C has a classic round edge design that fits in your hands comfortably. It has a 5.99-inch HD Plus LCD IPS screen with a bezel-less design to give you more screen space, which provides an immersive experience while watching movies or playing games. The fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone in 0.35 seconds. Or use the Smart Face Unlock feature to unlock the screen with a glance. The 13+2 MP dual rear camera comes with a wide aperture mode for good portraits. You also get the HDR, panorama and face beauty modes. The 8 megapixel front camera has adjustable selfie toning light for clear selfies under different light conditions, and f2.0 wide aperture for group shots. The Huawei Histon audio technology in this phone gives you the experience of live music. The phone is powered by Snapdragon octa-core processor along with Adreno 506 graphics processing unit. The EMUI 8.0 operating system on top of Android Oreo 8.0 adds convenient features like Game Suite and Ride mode. It runs on a 3000 mAh long-lasting battery that can provide up to 379 hours of standby time. The phone is made available through various EMI options, cash on delivery and payment through your debit or credit card. An Amazon exclusive.